See there? ItAl is vital, huh? Original D, the ItAl is see. England. Don't bother feel so when I deal with Dutchman. You see it?
Yeah, we touch you with the Dutch, you know.
I. See it there? ItAl is vital. See that there? Look there now. The mentor gone in. What do you know about mentor? Oh, favor, fold. What do you know about mentor? Could I? Look at that. That's how we do it, man. That's how we do it. You see? ItAl pan is seen. This is what you call a sip, you know? No flesh. You know, so we give God thanks for the no flesh food, you know? Make you feel good. Now it's winter time, so I deal with the ItAl. Imagine I deal with it. You see, it's a soup master, you know? See, you have to stir it, you know? Yeah, man. Stir it and get everything going. It's so beautiful. Smells so wonderful. Look, you see carrot, you see garlic, you see ginger, you see thyme, you see carrot. Yeah, listen to all of the people, you know. Yeah, man, you can all dash in the tomatoes in your sip. Sip a great thing. That is it. Look at it. Beautiful. See that? You know what the one they call ninja. That one, you know, that's a ninja right there. See there? Garlic, that one, runner vampire, you know? Yes, sir. That is it. Yeah, man. All evil gone when the garlic dropping out, man. I tell you. All evil, you know, like your cold and your flu and all them things there. Yeah, man. See that pretty pot of bubble. Well, it not start bubble yet still, but yeah. Alright. I try showing the people. That's how you have to live, you know? Yeah. And I have to remember to plant the fruits and the vegetables and all these things, because right now, Donald Trump says he's not playing with people. So, we have to make sure we plant all these fruits and vegetables and things and get the place productive and going in Jamaica, you see? We can cook them big pot of soup I want to reach. Yeah, man, we're there, man. UK 2025, we're still alive and could I saw you deal with it. You see garlic? Amount of garlic when that drop a whole vampire army. Look at that. Yeah, man. So the Lord is our shepherd, we shall not want, you know? Yeah, man, because we bless everything where people plant, you know? Yeah, man, we're there, man, we're there. ItAl is vital. ItAl is vital. See it? Yeah, man. It's good to have a chopping board, because when you just chop up things on the chopping board now, it's neat, nice. You can scrape it off, clean it off, wash it off. You know where you go. See the skill? Skill for the gill. Skill for the gill. See it there? Yeah, tell them, man, what heap of thing in them, man. I mean, I forget about this Kellyan in them, man. Jeez, what's that? Yeah, man, that one they call garlic. See it? Yes, I. See that? Skills you have to take out all the skin, because that can come in the way when it's eating time. See that one? That one called ninja. Ginger. See there now? Yeah, man, that's how I deal with it, man. See there? Yeah, man. Give God thanks, you know? Glory be to the Most High, you know? We say Jaja, you know? Yeah, man. What heap of thing are going, man? You see it? Because when you have bill sipping, you see it there? One look up at look. But you see, the blessing make it grow. So you have to transfer it to a bigger pot. I just say, go. See it? See it there? Just clean up the ginger. Remember, not to drop on the ginger and on the thing. Yeah, man. You know? Anti-COVID and them thing there, you know? Antibacteria and them thing there. Yes, I. And plus, you know, I love cooking. I like cook myself, but I like watching it too, you know. See there? Good there, no, man. And the smell, you know, man, make your mouth of water, you know, man. And no pig, no, in that, you know, no cow, no dog, no drunk, you know, in that, you know.
No foul.
No foul, no, in that one. Yeah. So you don't know. None of the airy beast and none of this. Nothing with swim, crawl, fly, nothing with tooth, gum, nor eye. Man, see, skills for the gills. I mean, I'm telling you, say, yeah, smell divine. You know what divine mean? Yeah, that mean no swine.
It's righteous everything.
Yes, I. Universal, anyone could eat it, you know. See. So we deal with it. Yes, I. Look at it. Pretty like a money, you know, man. And I tell you, say, you know, cheese righteous, and I tell you, not start bubbling, you know, people. But I tell you, trouble did they, you know. What this and my nose? My nose. It smell good.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
I tell you, my people, I tell you, you see it. Yeah, man, them wanna remind me of the old school business, man. See it, you know, more ingredients gone in. I'm gonna make you guess what that ingredients is. I tell you, man, ItAl, vital. Watch you know, people. Watch how I go on. Could I tell you, look good. Can't prettier than that, I tell you, man. Look at this thing, man. Right now, I am out of water, you see. Some of the ingredients in there. Yeah, we have to save seed because we have to plant seed. See, ItAl is vital. We're there, you know. ItAl kitchen, we're there. Yeah, man. See, we just go climb a tree and pick out to go coconut and sit near, you see. And now when they come ready, we don't have to grate or nothing. See. Yeah, man. See, steam a beat coconut milk. Cheese. Yo, no, I open and learn, you know. See. Yeah, man. And I keep clean said way, you see, because you don't have to wash, you know. So we just over here, you see. Quick movements and things, you see. Jeez. No, waste no time with it now. See, eh? That is it. Yeah, you hear me, people, may I tell you things beautiful. Beautiful, man, I tell you. Everybody.
Meal up 2 dumpling.
Yeah, man. Some spinners. But yeah, the chef I do him I do. Can't predict what the chef I do. The chef know him I do. I tell you. The man are not depend on guessing when they deal with the thing. I tell you. 100% authentic ItAl, vital. Smell good, me I tell you. See it now. That there. Here's some sea salt there about. Yes, I deal with the thing. A real thing I go on in our kitchen, people. Watch out. So if I'm going to deal with some spinners and sitting and so, you know. I can't predict a chef skill on it. Yeah, my people, but I soon up on the next vlog. You see how you go. Make sure you cook some food, you see.